Disputing transactions on the Cash App is very straightforward. Today, I'll walk you through the process. First, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in to your account. Next, tap on the clock icon at the bottom right corner to access the Activity tab, which displays all your recent transactions. Scroll through the list to find the transaction you want to dispute and tap on it to view the transaction details. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find an option like Need help with this payment or dispute this transaction. Tap on it. Cash App will then prompt you to select a reason for disputing the transaction. Choose the most appropriate reason from the provided list, which may include unauthorized charges, incorrect amounts, or non-receipt of goods or services. Depending on the reason, Cash App may ask for additional details or documentation to support your claim. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary information. Once you've provided all the required details, review your dispute summary to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, submit the dispute. Cash App will then review your claim and investigate the transaction. This process may take some time, so please be patient. You'll receive notification of the outcome via email or within the app.